go.
And today we're going to be having fun on the trampoline. So, the trampoline is a little bit wet because it just rained, and we also sprayed it with the hose, and it's really fun when it's wet. So we're going to get some video of us on it because we have this really fun game. It's called the slide, and I think you should join us while we play it.
Yes.
Ready? 3.
Wait, hold on. I think I should be.
Yeah, I think, yeah. Ready? 3, 2. It's where you go on this thing, and you can see it's really wet. Like, so if you go, you slide, and we hold hands, and we slide, and we always fall over when it's the two of us. So, yeah. Yeah. Ready?
Okay.
3, 2, 1. That was a hard fall.
Is it on?
Yeah. Alrighty guys, so we're just gonna show you these, and this will go with the next thing we're gonna play with Poppets, but I'm making frozen Poppet ice cubes. Here's hers. So yeah, just want to show you that. Now we're going outside. Now we're going outside. Alright guys, now we're gonna be playing the Poppet game we made up. So there's a lot of Poppets on our trampoline. So let's get them picked up. We're got them stacked. So
no, they're not stacked.
The rules. So the rules are, we are going to be doing where we each have 2 circular poppets.
We played this before, so it's kind of.
These, you get 2 funky poppets, and then one person gets 1 puppet.
It's like the extra.
Trio. Yeah. And what you do is you go 3, 2, 1, and you throw them. And you want to catch as many of them as you can. And the circle ones are 1, the funky ones are 2, and this one is 3. Shall we play?
Yeah, so by the way, which means by 3 and 2 and 1, it's points.
Hopefully this will work. We just maybe won't be able to bounce.
I wish you could like tip this up.
You can.
There you go. So
Wait,
they can see us, not just the.
That's perfect. All right. Ready? Okay. 3, 2, 1. Oh.
You guys got one.
We tied, so we have to have a bonus round.
Yeah.
And
I'm excited.
all right. So shall we? I only have 1 circle.
Okay.
And then do you have 2 funky ones?
No, I only have 1.
Right.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Oh my gosh! Wait, who won? These are equal, and that one's 1 more point. Dang it! She won the bonus round.
Okay.
All right.
Now we have to pick them up and put them out again.
So
That's
you
very
get 2 circle poppets, and then you not now. 3, 2, 1.
Oh!
I think that one should be like 2 points because you technically did catch it.
Okay.
So she had 2 points.
Okay.
I had 1, 3, 4. I had 4 points, guys.
Guys, what was that?
I had 4 points. I had 4 points.
Okay.
Right. We are just like professionals. 3,
Yeah.
2, 1.
Oh my
I
gosh!
tried catching yours because I didn't want to catch my own.
I got 2 of mine. This is 2, right?
Yes, you won.
I need
got
my
2.
glues. Wait, I have 2 circles.
3, 2,
1. Oh my gosh!
Yes, I got 3 points that round.
That did not
It
work.
looks like you're shaking.
It does.
You should probably.
Are you guys okay?
Let's get ready. And I'm
Oh my gosh. Okay.
I'm sorry if we're shaking. I'm very
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
1.
No! Guys, we are both going for the same 2, so.
Yeah.
It feels really good.
They feel really good on your feet. If you guys have a trampoline and a puppet, do it.
Alright, so that round I got 3 points again, so I did win that. Alright, so I'm gonna take, we should do colorful when we do colors again.
Yeah.
I'll take
Okay.
the colorful this round.
Okay. I'll take the non-colorful then.
So I should, wait, is that?
Yeah.
That's not right. Because I only have 3 things. And you have 1.
Wait, here.
That's colorful. Alright, we have the colorful stack, which is the uncolorful stack, but there's really no uncolorful. Or should I have the rainbow?
I think you should have it. Okay.
3, 2, 1.
No! I tried to get for 1 and then it passed my, oh my gosh, it passed my hand. And
So I got 3 points because I got the hardest one to get. I was kind of aiming. Alright. I want a circle one, and I want an animal one, and I want this puppet thing.
is this right?
Poke myself.
This is right.
Yeah. There we go.
Alright.
3, 2, 1. Whoops, I did not throw.
Got it! Oh my gosh! That counts!
I didn't. Guys,
I'm good.
I did.
We're alive still, I promise.
So this one, so that was not fair.
Catch up.
I think we should probably start that round over.
I think you should probably move them back a little bit.
Yeah, maybe we should do it like that so that they're stuck.
So they don't move.
Alrighty, guys, so we're gonna throw these up in the air. 3, 2, 1.
There's all of the poppets. We have so many. I
Yeah.
have more, but
She brought this one and this one, but I got this one.
and I have a popsicle one in the freezer with our ice.
Yes, we showed you guys that. So we'll show you the end product. Alright, so I got
Watch how high.
Alright, here you guys go. We should let them throw it.
Yes. Okay.
You guys are gonna throw it.
Okay.
You'll have to catch it.
So here they are. You guys are holding them. 3, 2, 1.
You guys are the best. I got 2 points. I got one that I got from Keegan.
Most of these are not.
He was very nice. This one is hers. Well,
There's only one
it
of
is
these.
a cotton candy one. I know. There's a blue one that I got from my dad. The rainbow one I got from my dad.
And another rainbow one.
That I got from my dad.
Sure. And then this one, I rated to Riley. I traded to Riley.
Some empty.
And this one, I think Riley's dad.
Yes.
And then this is
Mostly my
Triple
dad's
Dimple, which is mine.
Yes. So, alrighty guys, we hope you liked. Alrighty guys, we hope you liked it. If you smash that, you can subscribe. We'll see you all next time. Alrighty?